Story on this one. I've been having a real problem with Gen X and Y. And I'm not saying my generation can't do it, but we're really not the offenders. I've been in 48 states. I've been in every major city. And I'm pretty non-verbally oriented, and that's my first book, is all on nonverbal. And I've been watching how women go to work. And I'm worried. I think Casual Friday's gone over the top. Cleavage has become the rule. You know, I actually have television reporters say, well, what if the woman says, you know, God gave me these gifts? Well, God didn't intend you to show those gifts off at work. Do it at the club in Cancun. But nothing will erode your credibility quicker. You know, I always tell women, how many times do men think about sex a day? I mean, they already see you as a sex object. Why do we need to do that? I had a client in Phoenix. I know it's hot, but that's no excuse not to wear a few clothes. My client says, I'm sending down my assistant. Okay. She comes down in a postage-sized skirt. You know, I have great legs. I'm not opposed to spandex. I am not going to wear that in front of you today. There's a place for that. There's a place for it. And is this the image, the professional image that I want? So the Society of Human Resource, the largest organization, I'll get back to the postage stamp skirt in a minute, competitively asked us to submit a program. And I was so worked up about this because I care about the status of women in the workplace. Folks, how you show up, how you dress, how you package yourself is huge. It's not fair, but guess what? We do judge a book by its cover. I don't think it's fair, but that's how we work. It's human nature. So I designed a program, go home and put on some clothes. It was selected. I knew I had hit a hot button topic. So let's go back to the postage size stamp skirt. I'm following her up there. Now when I go in to train, we have to plug the laptop in, right? So this is a new term. Have you ever heard of the whale tail? So the thong underwear, okay. Here's my favorite. Her birth control patch. Right here. That's more information than I want. Is that the image that you think her organization wants?
And the next clip is a clip from the film Wild Hogs.
Please, for the love of God, finish your sentence. So good. After we have good. Men in bed.
This is not what it looks like. This is we have what is it, Woody?
Yeah, I'll tell you just exactly what it is there, Poindexter. It is exposure. 2 counts of lewd, lascivious behavior, and 1 count of pure jealousy. Hey, no. Thanks for raising us up, officer. Yeah, get going. That's terrific. So 5's a crowd, no one bleeding here. 5's an uneven number. Figure it out. You guys can't see me. You don't realize I'm looking for damage. Damn lucky. I've always felt so. I know what you felt. I had to. You wearing pants? Would you please put some pants on for God's sake? Nice guy. Maybe we should go. Let's go. Why? I ain't coming back. You like what you see? Let's get involved. That's what I'm talking about. I saw your place over there, mate. Chicken fights, folks? No? Okay. What? Marco? Marco? Is that the Code 21D WI? Driving while irresistible.
Right then, what did we all think of the 2 clips referring to that question?
I suppose it depends on how inappropriate they're being.
But if it was something like that in the workplace, would you allow this?
I mean, with the whale tail and the birth control sticker, I think that's a bit inappropriate. Yeah. But what it was shown about people coming in on their own clothes on a Friday, is that what Casual Friday is?
Yeah, I think so.
I still think it should be kept with a certain, because obviously if it's going to be distracting, then it shouldn't really be allowed in the workplace, I don't think. Or it's going to make people uncomfortable.
And what did you think of the Wild Hogs video on there?
Was that the guy from Scrubs, I don't know, the policeman, was he gay?
Yes.
And then they were just trying to do macho and then they just running away from it, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's just going with the stereotype that men think that gay men want them. But I suppose in that case it was kind of true. But,
Well, that because he assumed that they were gay just because they were camping
Yes.
as well.
And because they were all on the same bed, yes. Do we think he fell into sort of a stereotypical gay person or not?
But policeman.
Yeah.
Quite.
It seemed relaxed when he thought they were gay as well. Before that he was acting quite macho, wasn't he?